So guys, I just wanna grow a vine planter, but I can't grow it well. Please guys, I need you to get my sprinkler. Oink, 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 oink. After days, I can even not grow the darn vine planter. Please, guys, like and subscribe. I really need a water planter. I mean vine planter. Please, guys. I really need a vine planter. This is the most new ever. It is so obvious. Okay guys.
No problem.
Maybe I had something.
Subscribe. Just
Let's go.
Really
Guys, thank you for subscribing. There is still I cannot. I want to take you. What does have Robux? I thought it was free, but no.
What about what's the phone?
Anak mo ako, hindi ko sa kanya. Ito lang ako, hindi tayo mag-iwalay ng landas, hindi ko tatakbuhan. Sabi ko, may atraso bang tumingin sa pagbabayad kami? Hindi mo kami ngayon, kasi yun ang